Ni hao. It's finally quiz time again, and the content for today's quiz will be vocabs from lesson 86. The first question, what is rich in Chinese? We have A. Fu, B. 承认, C. 钱, D. 穷. Is it A, B, C, or D? Fu is rich, 承认 is admit, 钱 is shallow, 穷 is poor. So rich in Chinese is A. 富 富. The next question. What is deep in Chinese? We have A. 隐 B. 深 C. 护士 D. 救护车. You can try to guess first. 隐 is wind, 深 is deep, 护士 is nurse, 救护车 is ambulance. And deep in Chinese is B. 深 深. The next one. What is poor in Chinese? We have A. 护士 B. 穷 C. 富 D. 隐 I will give you time to think first. 护士 is nurse, 穷 is poor, 富 is rich, 隐 is wind. So poor in Chinese is B. 穷 穷. Another question here. What is ambulance in Chinese? We have A. 承认 B. 生 C. 救护车 D. 钱 I will explain it later. 承认 is admit, 深 is deep, 救护车 is ambulance, 钱 is shallow. And ambulance in Chinese is C. 救护车救护车 Let's move on to the next question. What is nurse in Chinese? A. 穷 B. 救护车 C. 钱 D. 护士 Which one do you think is the right answer? Qiang is poor, 救护车 is ambulance, Qian is shallow, 护士 is nurse. And the right answer for this question is D. 护士护士 Moving on to the next one. What is admit in Chinese? A. 生 B. 富 C. 隐 D. 承认 Which one do you think is the correct answer? Shun is deep, Fu is rich, Ying is win, Cheng is admit. And the correct answer for this question is D. 承认,承认. Moving on to another question here. What is when in Chinese? A. 赢 B. 承认 C. 互视 D. 穷 Which one do you think is the right one, guys? Ying is win, 承认 is admit, 护士 is nurse, 穷 is poor. And A is the right answer for this question. Ying, Ying. And finally, the last question here. What is yellow in Chinese? A. 救护车 B. 生 C. 钱 D. 富 Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? 救护车 is ambulance, 生 is deep, 钱 is shallow, 富 is rich. And C is the correct answer for this question. 钱, 钱. And that's all, guys, for today's quiz. Thank you for your time. I will see you guys again on our next lesson. Bye.